Good afternoon, all. This is Dr. J. Niranjan Gaud, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Dr. B.R. Government Degree College, Jarchala. In this video, I would like to discuss about differential equations. First, let me start with definition of differential equation. An equation involving derivatives or differentials of one dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. Example 1, dy by dx plus xy is equal to sin x. In this equation, we have derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, and one independent variable x. So this is a differential equation. Observe second example, dou square by dou x square plus dou y by dou t is equal to log x. In this equation, we have two independent variables. They are x comma t. This equation contains partial derivatives of y with respect to x and t. This is also a differential equation. There are two types of differential equations. First one is ordinary differential equation. Second one is partial differential equation. A differential equation which involves derivatives with respect to one dependent variable is called a ordinary differential equation. A differential equation contains derivatives with respect to one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. Example 1, dqy by dx cube whole square plus x into d square by dx square plus dy by dx plus 3y is equal to 0. Second example is dy by dx plus xy is equal to e power x. If these both equations have derivatives with respect to one independent variable. Second type of differential equation is partial differential equation. A differential equation which involves derivatives with respect to two or more independent variables is called partial differential equation. Example, dou y by dou x plus dou y by dou t is equal to 0. In this equation, we have two independent variables. So this is a partial differential equation. See second example, dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou x dou t plus dou square by dou t square is equal to e power x. This is also a partial differential equation. Now define order and degree of differential equation. Order is the order of the highest order derivative involved in the differential equation is called order of differential equation. In a differential equation, this equation involving highest order derivative, that order is the same as the order of the differential equation. And a degree of differential equation. The degree of differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative present in the equation after differential equation has been made free from radicals and fractions as far as the derivative concerned. So see example 1, dqy by dx cube whole square plus x d square by dx square plus 3xy is equal to 0. In this differential equation, we have second order derivative and third order derivative, but highest order derivative is third order derivative. So the order of differential equation is 3 and the degree of third order derivative is 2, nothing but the power of dqy by dx cube is 2, so that the degree of this differential equation is 2. Observe second example, d square by dx square is equal to dy by dx plus 3xy whole power 2 by 3. So we have the power of dy by dx plus 3xy is 2 by 3. It's a fractional. So we have to make this differential equation free from radicals and fractions. To that, raise the power up to 3. You will get d square by dx square whole cube is equal to dy by dx plus 3xy whole square. Now in this equation, the highest order derivative is second order derivative. So the order is 2. The degree of this differential equation is degree of highest order derivative, that is d square by dx square whole power 3. So the degree is 3. See third example, d square by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 3xy power 2 by 3. In this equation, the degree of differential derivatives is not a fractional number. So it is free from radical and fractional as far as concerned derivative concerned. So in this equation, the highest order derivative is second order derivative. So the order is 2. The degree of second order derivative is 1. So the degree of differential equation is 1. See one more example. Root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to d square y by dx square whole power 5 by 6. To find order and degree, order can be defined very easily. So the equation involving highest order derivative is second order derivative. So the order is 2. To find a degree, first the equation has been made free from radicals and fractionals. So raise the power up to 6 on both sides. You will get 1 plus dy by dx whole square power 3 is equal to d square by dx square whole power 5. So the degree of highest order derivative is 5. So the order of the degree of differential equation is 5. So in this equation, order is 2, degree is 5. See one more interesting example. Find the order and degree of differential equation. Y is equal to sine dy by dx. In this equation, you have only first order derivative. So the order is 1. Okay. To find degree, first expand sine dy by dx. You know sine x is equal to x minus 1 by 3 factorial x cube plus 1 by factorial x power 5 plus 1 by 7, 1 minus 1 by 7 x power 7 and so on. You have infinite number of terms. In this way, expand y is equal to sine dy by dx. So y is equal to dy by dx minus 1 by 3 factorial dy by dx whole cube plus 1 by factorial 5 factorial dy by dx whole power 5 and so on. So order is 1. To find degree, the highest power of dy by dx. In this equation, it is not defined. So the degree is not defined. In the same way, y is equal to log dy by dx. Expand log dy by dx, you will get infinite terms. So the order is 1, degree is not defined. Now define solution of differential equation. A solution of differential equation is a relation between the dependent and independent variables not involving the derivatives, such that this relation and obtain the derivatives from it satisfies the given differential equation. The solution of differential equation is a relation between dependent and independent variables. So see example. Y is equal to c e power x is a solution of differential equation dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. Check y is equal to c into e power x is satisfies or not. So first find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to c into e power x derivative e power x. So dy by dx is equal to c into e power x and y is equal to c e power x. Substitute these two values in this equation, dy by dx minus y, you will get 0 is equal to 0. So y is equal to c e power x satisfies the given differential equation, so that you can say that y is equal to c e power x is a solution of differential equation. In the same way, y is equal to c1 plus c2x e power x is the solution of d square by dx square minus 2y by dx plus y is equal to 0. Observe y is equal to c1 plus c2x e power x satisfies the given differential equation d square by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So that this is the solution of this given differential equation. Now formation of differential equation. See, if you have a family of curves, how to find the differential equation? Suppose we have an equation of containing n arbitrary constants. Then by differentiating it successively n times, we get n equations more containing n arbitrary constants and derivatives. Now by eliminating n arbitrary constants from n plus 1 equations, by differentiating you will get n number of equations, and the given differential equation there are n plus 1 equations. By these n plus 1 equations, eliminate the given arbitrary constants, you will get nth order differential equation. So there are n arbitrary constants, so that we are allowed to differentiate n times. See example. Find the differential equation of the family of curves y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x, where c1 c2 are arbitrary constants. So in this equation, we have two arbitrary constants. So we are allowed to differentiate two times. So take the given equation y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 2x. Differentiate the given equation with respect to x. What we get? We get dy by dx is equal to c1 into e power 2x derivative 2 into e power 2x. So 2c1 e power 2x plus c2 into e power minus 2x derivative minus 2 into e power minus 2x. So minus 2c2 e power minus 2x. Again, differentiate with respect to x. So you will get d square by dx square plus 4c1 e power 2x plus 4c2 e power minus 2x. From the equation 1 and 3, what is 1? 1 is y is equal to c1 e power 2x and third one equation is this one. So by using these two equations 1 and 3, see, observe here, take 4 common, c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. This is nothing but y. So you can write d square by dx square is equal to 4y. So d square by dx square minus 4y is equal to 0. In this equation there are no arbitrary constants, and this equation contains derivatives and dependent and independent variables, so that this is the differential equation of given of family of curves. So see example 2. Find the differential equation of family of circles x square plus y square is equal to a square, where is a is arbitrary constant. Here in this equation we have only one arbitrary constant, so we are allowed to differentiate one time. You will get one differential equation and the given equation. From these two eliminate arbitrary constants, you can get a differential equation. Right. First, take given equation x square plus y square is equal to a square. Differentiate the above equation with respect to x. What we get? The derivative of x square is 2x plus the derivative of y square is 2y, and the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to a square is constant, so the derivative of a square is 0. So 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. In the above equation, there is no arbitrary constant. So 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0, or x plus y dy by dx is equal to 0 is the differential equation of the given family of curves. And one more example. Find the differential equation of family of curves y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. Here there are two arbitrary constants, so we are allowed to differentiate the given equation in two times. So take the given equation y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. Differentiate the equation with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to, this is UV form, e power x into, first keep a power x cos x plus b sin x, derivative of e power x. Different derivative of e power x is e power x. So a cos x plus b sin x into e power x plus e power x into derivative of a cos x plus b sin x. That is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So e power x into minus a sin x plus b into sin x derivative minus cos x. Sorry, sin x derivative cos x. So the equation is dy by dx is equal to e power x a cos x plus b sin x plus e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. See here this equation. This equation is nothing but our y. So substitute this as y. You get dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to y plus e power x minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now I write this as dy by dx minus y is equal to e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now again this differential equation with differentiate this equation with respect to x. You get derivative of dy by dx is d square by dx square minus derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to again UV form. So differentiate e power x is e power x and minus a sin x plus b sin x plus e power x into sin x derivative cos x. So I write minus a cos x plus cos x derivative minus sin x. So I write minus b sin x. Now d square by dx square minus dy by dx. I write this as dy by dx minus y and this as minus y. Okay. Now d square by dx square minus dy by dx is equal to this is dy by dx minus y and this is minus y. After simplifying this, you get d square by dx square minus 2y dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 0, which is the differential equation of given curve y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. You try these 3 exercise problems. By eliminating the constants a and b, obtain the differential equation for which xy is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x plus x square is a solution. Simply, you find the differential equation of this curve xy is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x plus x square. Here in this equation, we have two arbitrary constants. So, differentiate this equation 2 times. After eliminating these two arbitrary constants, you will get a differential equation. So, first write this equation as xy minus x square. Xy minus x square is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. After second derivative, you will get a e power x plus b e power minus x. So write this as xy minus x square and simplify, you will get the differential equation. Find the differential equation of all circles of radius r. So the family of circles of radius r, you can write this equation as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k is center and h comma k are arbitrary constants. I will see this solution. Third one, find the differential equation of family of curves y is equal to c into x minus c whole square, where c is arbitrary constant. Here we have, in this equation, we have only one arbitrary constant. So differentiate with respect to x one time. You will get dy by dx is equal to 2c into x minus c. From these two equations, eliminate c, you will get differential equation. Observe this. Second, I give a solution for second example. Find the differential equation of all circles of radius r. So given family of circles is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. I take this equation as 4. Differentiate 4 with respect to x. What we get? We get 2 into x minus h plus 2 into y minus k, and derivative of y is y dash is equal to, being r square constant, the derivative of r square is 0. Again differentiate this equation 5 with respect to x. We get 2 into derivative of x minus h is 1, so 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into, there are two functions y minus k into y dash. So apply UV formula, 2 plus 2 into y minus k, derivative of y is y double dash plus 2y dash into derivative of y dash is y dash is equal to 0. From this equation, find y minus k value. So y minus k is equal to, after cancellation of 2, you will get y minus k is equal to minus of 1 plus y dash whole square by y double dash. Substitute y minus k value in the equation 5. That is x minus h is equal to minus of y minus k into y dash. X minus k is equal to, x minus h is equal to y dash 1 plus y dash whole square by y double dash. Substitute both x minus h and y minus k values in 4. We get y dash into 1 plus y dash whole square by y double dash whole square plus minus 1 of 1 plus y dash whole square by y double dash whole square is equal to r square. Simplify, you get 1 plus y dash whole square whole power 3 is equal to r square y double dash whole square, which is a differential equation of given family of circles. Thank you.